Welcome to Soft Review. In this video, we are going to take a look at Sparkify. As you can see, this is the newest video generator from Google, and it can create explainer videos or any type of videos in vertical format and in 16:9 aspect ratio. This is mainly for like informational videos that you can use it with these kind of different styles. So the styles are really preset, and as you can see, these are the kind of videos that you can make. It's not open to the public yet, but if you want, when it's open, you can just click on this button and sign up with your email, and you can now join the wait list. In order to do that, all you need is you just need to come to this website sparkify.withgoogle.com/explore.
Behold, a vibrant green powder, more than just tea. This is matcha, a story centuries in the making. Our journey begins, ancient China, Tang Dynasty here, tea leaves were steamed, then ground into fine powder. Buddhist monks discovered its power, aiding focus, enhancing meditation.
Welcome to a San Francisco jewel, the stunning Palace of Fine Arts. Isn't it breathtaking? Believe it or not, this grand structure started as a temporary marvel for a huge party.
Behold, a creature of legend, born from whispers of the ancient world, the magnificent dragon, a symbol of power, mystery.
So this is the sneak peek of how the UI will look like. You have different options like explore, generate and my libraries. Explore is where you can explore other people's creation, and like this can actually generate 1080p videos 60 frame per second, and it's using a VO3 model. And you can also create cartoon with fun voiceover, charts and examples. It's like having a pro animator and teacher beside you. So these are the videos that you can make with the different styles. If you go to the generate section, you can enter like a topic, and you can then select the visual style and mood and just click on generate, and within 2 minutes will generate the video for view. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.